Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I have filmed. As you can probably tell, a slightly new setup, so I'm officially all moved in. We have officially arrived in Queensland on the Gold Coast. New filming space, all the rest of it. Got no makeup on today. Literally, I've just had my lashes done, so I've never had lash extensions done before. Don't know how I feel about them, to be honest with you. I think this has been a bit of a fail, if I'm being perfectly honest, but I'm glad I gave it a go because it's just meant that I can sit down, not worry about makeup, and just literally film this unboxing with you. So today we are going to be doing the December Bellabox unboxing. This was actually sent to me a couple of weeks ago. I just obviously have been moving and haven't had the time to film, so I'm really happy to be able to sit down and yeah, get some more content up on my channel for you guys. So let's just jump straight into it. First up, we have a card, as always, to give us all the information about what is about the contents in our box. So this box theme is all I want for Christmas. So very appropriate. Alrighty, so the first thing that we have here is by Model Rock Lashes, or sorry, Model Rock Cosmetics. I have to say, I actually really love this brand. So it looks like we have a sponge. I personally have always used Model Rock lashes. I really do enjoy those lashes. I think they're fantastic. So it looks like they also have sponges. So this one here retails for $16.95 and it is available at modelrocklashes.com. It does feel super soft, which I'm very impressed with. So I do feel like once it's immersed in water, obviously it'll probably double in size, but it is, you know, when you can tell when you just feel a sponge dry that it's going to be you know, quite soft and easy to use. I do sort of feel that that will be the case with this sponge. I also really like how it has, see how it's just got this flat side here with a pointed tip just to get under those hard to reach sort of areas. I just feel like that's a really great design. I do wish that the beauty blenders had more of a flat sort of finish, just because I have quite narrow eyes. So for me, getting a big beauty blender in this part of my eye can be quite hard and annoying to do when you're sort of trying to blend out concealer or whatever. So do really like the design of this guy right here. Really happy to have received that. The next item we have is by Bellabox, and this is, it looks to be a fan brush. So let's just have a look. Ooh. Okay, so this is a very synthetic sort of style fan brush. I do believe that you can buy, you know, other styles in this particular range on the Bellabox website. I think I saw on Instagram actually that they had like 2 different eyeshadow brushes that you can go ahead and purchase if you wanted to. Me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of fan brushes. They're just not my favorite. I don't necessarily find that they pick up product very well, and nor do I find that they distribute it overly well either. And ones that are like this, that with a really synthetic, cheap bristles, also I find don't work the best. But having said all of that, obviously haven't used this, happy to give it a go, and it's a nice little item to receive for sure. The cost on that one there, just to let you guys know, is $15, and it is available at the Bellabox. It's available on the Bellabox website, which is just bellabox.com.au. Next item that we have is by Style London. So this was the item that I was mostly intrigued about. So what we actually have here is a blush, we have a banana powder to set your under eye area, we have a bronzer, and we also have a highlighter. So let's just do a bit of a swatch, shall we? This blush does look like a beautiful pinky sort of, yeah, pinky corally sort of color, really pretty. Overall, I have to say straight up, I'm quite impressed with how they've swatched. I do think that from watching the exclusive online that I saw, it looks like all of these colors are quite buildable and you can build them up. A little bit concerned about the bronzer, not so much the color, but I just think it's kind of swatching maybe a little bit muddy. So in my opinion, it may not look the best on my skin. That highlighter though is absolutely beautiful, and that blush is a really lovely color as well. So yeah, very happy to have received that and to test that one out. Now this one here usually retails at $32. and it is available at stylelondon.com. Okay, next up we have a product by Palmer's, and it is their coconut oil antioxidant firming lotion. Nice little sample size. Do love grabbing sample sizes, especially to travel with. I just find that they are the absolute best to travel with, actually. Now, a full size of this is 250 mils, and it retails at $9.99, and it is available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So yeah, happy to try this. Never tried anything by Palmer's before, ever, actually, the whole brand. So yeah, very curious to see how this goes. It does actually claim 24-hour moisture, and naturally tones and tightens your skin. So I personally have quite dry skin, so I'm very, very keen to give this a go and see how it works. Alrighty, so next item that we have is by NYX, and this is a soft matte lip cream. So this looks to be like a really nice rosy pink color. Really, really pretty, especially for the holidays. I don't actually own any liquid lips by NYX at all, so very, very happy to test out this formula and see how it goes. Now, this is obviously a full-size product as well, which is really great to see. So this one here actually retails at $12.95, and it is available at Priceline. Okay, and on to our final item. So this one here is a sample size of some shampoo and conditioner. Now, this one here, it claims it's supposed to be for weak and brittle hair. So very happy to give this a go. It's all silicone free as well, which is great to see. Now, me personally, I do dye my hair, so always happy to give anything that's going to be quite nourishing and moisturizing a go for my hair. So yeah, happy to have received this. Doesn't give me any more information regarding prices or anything like that, as it is just the bonus item out of the box. But yeah, still very happy to have received it and see how it works. And that's it, guys. That's it for this box. So thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I really do appreciate your support on this channel. It really does mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, thank you for being so patient, because I know it's been at least a week since I've really posted any new content. So thank you for being patient with me. I've got quite a few videos lined up to film in the next coming weeks, so I'll be happy to get them up very, very shortly for you guys. And yeah, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.